Hello again, everyone. Another unpacking. Parang masyado na ako nalilibang. Nalilibang! Oo, sa Luzon ha, hindi pang Visayas na nalilibang. So, ayan, today we have... Ano mo kung sa liwanag nito? Look up like this group. So, we have here another parcel. Buksan natin. Okay. Ayan, we have colorful. Can you guess? Sige nga. In less than a minute, can you guess? Guess. Can you guess? Ay, yan, napaka-colorful. We have mink, we have violet, and we have blue. One of my faves. So, our product today is You're So Fine. Oh, you're so fine. And so am I. I am fine. Thank you. So, the pink one is the shampoo. Ayan, try natin kung kaya ng itim ang aking napaka-frizzy at dedo na hair. And the purple one is the conditioner. Ayan. So, try natin siya gamitin today. And itong maliit naman is ang kanyang hair treatment. Ayan. You're so fine. Basahin mga natin kung kanyang... Oh, it's a trivia ha. I'm just not sure. I'm not sure. Pero, when you look into the ingredients and kung ano yung first na nasa list, yun yung marami sa kanyang contents. Like, for this one, water ang kanyang first. So, marami siyang water. Tingnan natin. Ang ganda, naka-ano siya, oh. Naka-engrave. Ang bango, parang pang baby. Ito din, water. Wala siyang paraben, triglyceride, colorants. Ayan. Wala siyang gluten. Maganda. Sulfate-free formula, gentle cleansing, moisturizing and repairing, enhance softness and shine. And the conditioner, it's a argan conditioner. Yeah, intensive nourishment, repair dryness and freeze, rebuild strength and elasticity. So, the shampoo and conditioner is a, ano siya, 300 ml, while the treatment is only, nasa na yun? 200 ml. Hindi naman siguro tayo masyadong lugi since pwede naman yan di everyday mag-treatment, diba? Ang kanyang hair treatment naman nakalagay is repair damaged hair, nourish dry hair, instantly detangle, antioxidant, and UV protection. Meron siyang glycerin, camellia seed oil, hydrolyzed whey protein, ayan. Pag basa daw yung buhok mo, the application would be um, maglagay ka lang daw ng 2 to sa iyong kamay, tapos ay sa iyong palad, ayan. Tapos igaganyan mo lang siya mga 2 to 3 times. Ayan. Tapos, lalo na dito sa dulo, no, kasi usually dito yung frizzy area. Ayan lang mga ano to dito? Mga split hair, ganyan, split ends. Oo. Pero kung dry hair naman daw, ilalagay mo lang siya sa i-apply mo lang siya hanggang sa matuyo ang kanyang treatment. Pero nakikita ko sa other platforms na ang ginagawa nila after applying treatment is blow dry nila yung kanilang hair. And then, para siyang instant na para ka naka-blow dry talaga. And para kang rebonded. Pero, hindi naman talaga siya as in totally na at ganon yung magiging result. Kasi, di ba, magva-vary pa rin yan sa hair natin and sa duration ng ating paggamit ng products. Let's try this one. Ayan. No need naman na siguro na mag-review ako sa CR. Charis. So, yun na muna for now. Ayan. Oo, dahil kay Bako ko. So, yun lang. See you next time. Ayan, order na kayo guys. Nandiyan lang sa